Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are breaking down the Java thread lifecycle in the simplest way possible. If you understand these states, you will understand how every Java thread behaves from creation to termination. Let's go through each state step by step. New state. A thread begins in the new state. This means the thread object is created, but the start method has not been called yet. At this moment, the thread exists in memory, but it's not running and not scheduled. Next, runnable state. Once you call start, the thread moves into the runnable state. Runnable doesn't mean the thread is running all the time. It simply means the thread is ready to run and eligible for CPU execution. Actual running happens inside this same state because Java combines the ready and running phases. So when the CPU picks it, it runs, and when the CPU switches context, it goes back to ready. All of this happens inside the runnable state. Next, blocked state. A thread enters the block state when it's trying to enter a synchronized block, but another thread is already holding the monitor lock. It's not waiting for time and not waiting for conditions. It's simply waiting to acquire a lock so it can continue execution. Next, waiting state. A thread moves into the waiting state when it's waiting indefinitely for someone else to signal it. This usually happens when calling methods like wait or join or low-level methods like park without a timeout. In this state, the thread is paused with no time limit. Another thread must notify or complete an action to bring it back. Next, timed waiting state. A thread enters timed waiting when it waits for a specific amount of time. This includes calls like sleep time, wait time, join time, park nanos, or park until. Here the thread will automatically wake up when the timeout expires or when it gets notified. Next, terminated state. Finally, the thread enters the terminated state. This happens when the run method finishes normally or when the thread dies due to an uncaught exception. At this point, the thread cannot be restarted and its lifecycle is complete. And that is the entire Java thread lifecycle explained in under 3 minutes. Understand these states and multi-threading becomes much easier to reason about and debug. See you in the next video.